Auto and home loans are set to become cheaper as the RBI slashed repo rate and CRR by 25 basis points in its third quarter monetary policy. Repo rate now stands at 7.75% while CRR is at 4%. Consequently, the reverse repo rate too decreased to 6.75%. Now let's look at the impact on your EMIs. For instance, if the interest rate on a 10-year housing loan of 10 lakh rupees lowers to 11% from 11.25%, it will translate into a saving of approximately 140 rupees per month in the EMI. Annually, you can save close to 1700 rupees. The repo rate cut was in line with market expectations, and repo rate cut will reduce the cost of borrowing for individuals and corporates. The CRR cut will inject 18,000 crore rupees additional liquidity into the system to perk up growth through reduced cost of borrowing.
We've decided to reduce the policy repo rate under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility (LAF) by 25 basis points, bringing it down from 8% to 7.75%. We've also decided to reduce the cash reserve ratio (CRR) of scheduled banks by 25 basis points from 4.25% to 4%.
The policy action is aimed at aiding growth by encouraging investment and improving liquidity to support credit flow. The move also intends to contain inflation and anchor inflation expectations.
We expect that today's policy actions and the guidance that we've given will result in the following three outcomes. First, investment will be encouraged, thereby supporting growth. Second, medium-term inflation expectations will remain anchored on the basis of a credible commitment to low and stable inflation. And finally, there will be an improvement in liquidity conditions to support credit flow.
The RBI, however, has reduced the growth projections for the current financial year to 5.5% from its earlier estimate of 5.8%. On inflation, the central bank moderated the rate to 6.8% by March end from earlier projection of 7.5%. RBI governor acknowledged the fact that inflation has come off its peak, but its further downward movement is going to be slow and gradual. Analysts believe that RBI might continue the pro-growth strategy and would keenly be watching the budget announcements next month. Business Desk, DD News.